It's a super yummy day. I'm making pasta. Welcome to Fofolicious Food Bites. Today's recipe is very fast and super easy. I present to you macaroni with pepperoni sausage garnished with spring onions. So get macaroni, pepperoni sausage, blended tomatoes, pepper and onions ready. Vegetable oil, sliced onion, spices, salt and spring onions. Let me show you how to make this deliciousness. Start by boiling your water for the macaroni in the pot. Heat up your pan, add a drizzle of vegetable oil and fry your sausage. Flip and set it aside to cool and slice. Time to make the pepperoni pepper sauce. Pour in more oil into your pan, allow it to be hot, and in goes your sliced onions. Allow it to saute just a bit and add your sliced pepperoni sausage. Mix together and add all your spices. I'm just checking my pasta water and it's boiling. Pour in the macaroni, add a bit of salt, mix and allow it to boil. Back to the sauce. Pour in the blended tomato, pepper, onions, mix it together, allow it to fry very well. You can hear the sizzling. It's smelling all good here. The macaroni is cooked now. Strain out the water and pour it into the sauce. Mix it all in and it's ready. Looking so good. Sprinkle some spring onions on the deliciousness and serve. Can you see the steaming flavor coming out of the macaroni? Garnished with more spring onion, celery, and here you have it. Yummy, quick and easy macaroni with pepperoni sausage. Please recreate and enjoy. Keep watching Fofolicious Food Bites for more recipes. Thank you.